Hi everyone, Lisa here. I have my first retreat in a box for January 2024. So I am going to be using the new Be My Valentine bundle. So this retreat in a box is centered using this new bundle, which comes in January. So right now we can't order it, but I'm already have my class. The reason I'm advertising this class now is because I'm going to be traveling for the next couple of weeks, and I wanted to make sure that I got it all out to you before I left. I hope I don't get lost in the shuffle, but I will be giving you reminders once I return. But I just wanted to let you know. So this retreat in a box is going to have 6 projects, and it's going to have over $26 in Stampin' Up product in it. There's going to be 3 options. So let me explain the 3 options. Option number 1 is $88.50 because that includes the bundle. So you will get the stamp set and the punch. And you're going to get all the materials to make these 6 projects. So there's going to be 4 cards. There's this one. Did I hold that one right? Yeah. This one, which is a gatefold. And then this one. And there's going to be this 3D box for you to put together. And we have our new pillow boxes. So this is another project. So it's going to have all the materials for those 6 projects. Plus, your Stampin' Up product is you're going to get a package of these adhesive back flowers and hearts. Of course, mine are missing because I made my projects. A spool of the Sweet Sorbet ribbon. You're going to get a half a pack of the pillow boxes, which is 5. And you are going to get a half a pack of the designer series paper, which is 12 sheets, and they're going to be 6 by 12. And you'll get the PDF tutorial. So again, that's option number 1 for $88.50. Option number 2 is $50, and you're going to get everything that was included in kit number 1 or option number 1. Plus, I forgot, you're going to get pillow gifts. There's a couple of pillow gifts that I have for you. I have already created. So option 2, the $50 just will not have the bundle. The bundle is separate. So you'll get everything that option 1 had except for the bundle. That bundle I think is $38.50. So that's why it's $88.50 for that. And then I pay the tax and shipping on those to me. And then if you're not local, option 1 and 2 will be $9 for shipping, and I will ship that priority, and we will have a tracking number and everything so it doesn't get lost. And then option number 3 is going to be the PDF tutorial. That will be $20, but it will not be available until January 13th. So registration is open now. Registration will close January 6th, and then the kits will ship on January 13th or sooner, depending if I get the product in and able to cut everything and sort everything. But they will ship at least by January 13th. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Again, option number 1 is $88.50. Option number 2 is $50, and option number 3 is $20. If you have any questions, just let me know. You guys take care. Bye.